So good morning everyone. Now see the next 7 marks problem. Find the equation of the circle whose center lies on the x-axis and passing through the points -2, 3 and 4, 5. So what is in the question? We have to find the equation of the circle. What is general equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is a general circle equation. So whose center lies on x-axis. So this circle equation center is on the x-axis. So this is a coordinate axis, this is x-axis and y-axis. This circle equation generally you think that, so this is a center and this is a circle. So center lies on the x-axis. So this is the x-axis. The center of the circle lies on the x-axis and passing through these 2 points. So first point is -2, 3 and second point is 4, 5. So the circle which is on the x-axis, so the y coordinate becomes 0. So why the y coordinate? So y coordinate becomes 0. Why it becomes 0? Because the center lies on the x-axis. The circle center lies on the x-axis. That's why the y coordinate becomes 0. So now see the solution. Let the required equation of the circle. So what is the required equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. So what is the center for this general circle equation is the center c is equal to -g minus f. So this is the center for our general circle equation. So what is given in the question? The center lies on the x-axis. That's why y coordinate becomes 0. So given center lies on x-axis. So if the center lies on x-axis, then what happens? Y coordinate becomes 0. That means y coordinate means what? F. So this is x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. Y coordinate, in place of y coordinate we are having -f. That's why f value becomes 0. So f is equal to 0. So now see, equation 1 is passing through. So equation 1 is passing through the point -2, 3. So this becomes x coordinate, this becomes y coordinate. So equation 1 implies what happens? -2 whole square plus 3 whole square plus 2g into -2 plus 2f into 3 plus c is equal to 0. So minus into minus becomes plus. So 2 square value becomes 4 plus 3 square 9 plus into minus minus 2 to the 4. 4 into g becomes 4g. So f value. So since f is equal to 0, so f value becomes 0 because the center lies on the x-axis. So y coordinate becomes 0. So in place of y coordinates we are having f. So plus 2 into 0 into 3 plus c is equal to 0. So 9 plus 4 will become 13 minus 4g. So plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. Writing in the order -4g plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. This becomes equation number 2. So again same. Equation 1 is passing through. Second point is, what is second point? 4, 5. So equation 1 implies 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0. So since f is equal to, in place of f we are substituting 0. So 4 square will become 16 plus 25. 4 to the 8g. So plus 2 into 0 into 15 plus c is equal to 0. So 25 plus 16 will becomes 41 plus 8g plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. So we got equation 2 and 3. We are solving now equation 2 and equation 3. Solving equation 2 and equation 3. What is the second equation? Minus 4g plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. Second equation is 8g plus c plus 41 is equal to 0. Changing the symbol, minus minus minus, plus c minus c will be get cancelled. Minus 8g minus 4g becomes minus 12g, minus 41 plus 13 will becomes minus 28 is equal to 0. Taking plus 28 to the right hand side becomes minus 28. So minus 12g is equal to 28. Take 12 to the denominator of right hand side, then minus g is equal to 28 by 12. So if you do cancellation, 4 3 are 12, 4 7 are 28. So g value becomes minus 7 by 3. So since we are having f value, f is equal to 0, so we have to find out the c value. For find outing the c value, substitute g is equal to minus 7 by 3 in equation number 2. What is the second equation is minus 4g plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. Minus 4 into g value is minus 7 by 3 plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. Minus into minus will become plus. 7 4s are 28 by 3 plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. So doing the cross multiplication for both the terms, so 28 plus 3 into c will become 3c plus 13 3 is 39. In the denominator 3 is equal to 0. So doing cross multiplication, so 28 plus 3c plus 39 is equal to 3 into 0 will become 0. So 28 plus 39 will become how much? So 67. So 67 plus 3c is equal to 0. Taking plus 67 to the right hand side becomes minus 67. So 3c is equal to minus 67. So take 3 to the denominator of right hand side. This becomes c is equal to minus 67 by 3. Substitute g comma f comma c in equation number 1. So what is the first equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 2 into g value is minus 7 by 3 into x plus 2 into f value is 0. So y, so plus c value is minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. So this becomes x square plus y square plus into minus, minus 2 7 ja 14 by 3 plus 0 minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. So what we are getting the answer? X square plus y square minus 14x by 3 minus 67 by 3 is equal to, the answer is x square plus y square minus 14x by 3 minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. So doing the cross multiplication, if you do the LCM, so what we are getting doing cross multiplication, 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. So doing cross multiplication, 3 into 0 value becomes 0. So taking 3 common from both the terms, so 3 into x square plus y square minus 14x minus 67 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle.